Hey Cougars, I'm Alejandra, a peer health advisor for student health and counseling services. Welcome to our Healthy Cougar Network. Today we have a recipe for all you busy bees to be able to eat breakfast on the go. Parfait jars that can be prepared overnight so you can have breakfast prepared for the next couple days. This parfait jar recipe has about 15.5 grams of protein. Many of us who are really busy on a daily basis sometimes forget to eat breakfast or skip breakfast as a whole. As we've heard over and over again, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and there are many benefits to eating breakfast. For example, you will feel more energized throughout the day. It improves focus and concentration, weight control, it boosts your metabolism system, and it will control your hunger throughout the day to prevent overeating before your next meal. All right, let's get started. The ingredients you will need for this parfait jar is, first of all, your favorite yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, coconut yogurt, but for our purposes today, we have vanilla low-fat yogurt. 2 tablespoons of milk, and this is low-fat milk, but again, you can use your preferred milk like almond milk or oat milk, or just your favorite. 1/3 of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 cup of your favorite fruit. For our purposes today, we have mixed berries. And these last 2 ingredients are optional, but you can add almonds to top off your jar and honey to sweeten your yogurt. The tools you will need are a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon, measuring cups and measuring spoons, and of course, a jar to put all of your ingredients in. Now that you have your ingredients and tools, we can start mixing everything together. So first of all, you will take your 6 ounces of yogurt and pour it into your mixing bowl. Then you will measure out 2 tablespoons of your favorite milk. There's 1 and 2. Next, we will add our oats, and then we will measure out our chia seed, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and 1 teaspoon of flax seed. And the chia seed will actually help thicken the consistency of your yogurt while it sits overnight. And we want to mix these ingredients in. And now we can start adding everything into the jar. At this point, you can add honey to taste. We're just gonna add a little drizzle. And we're gonna mix that in and start adding it to the jar. So first, we're gonna add 1 layer of the yogurt. Then we're gonna take about half of our mixed berries. We have strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Then we're gonna add the second half of our yogurt. And add the remaining of our berries, our second half cup. And then finally, again, this step is optional, but you can top off your parfait jar with some almonds. Now we're gonna screw the lid on, keep it in the fridge overnight, and it will be ready to enjoy in the morning.